Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 82 Clayton Street in Rochester.
This is an amazing property steps away from Lake Ontario. So let's take a tour.
This classic home, built in 1900, is filled with character and charm, with a white and bright kitchen with a breakfast bar and arched entryway, open to a spacious dining room and living room with a picture window. The first floor also features a master suite with a walk-in closet, an updated full bathroom, and adjacent laundry, while the upstairs features a family room with hardwood floors, a full bathroom, and 4 bedrooms, one with plumbing for a potential kitchen or in-law suite, plus a walk-up attic great for storage.
Enjoy summertime fun with this private, fully fenced-in backyard, with a pool and deck, plus a patio and a barbecue. This beautiful and classic stucco home is located on a dead-end street within walking distance to Ontario Beach Park and the Port of Rochester.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 82 Clayton Street in Rochester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!